So you think your threads are clean, right? Nope. They are not clean. I went through, I don't know, like 20, 25 of these, spinning them in there, and kept going until I got this clean. So now my sealant will stick on there and I should be good. See how dark that is? And that's not even clean yet, but here's all the crap that comes off of it. You can see little flakes of metal in there from them cutting this. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, see the little flakes of metal? And that came off of this. This is a brand new stub kit.